This is a question for 8 marks. Explain in detail the manufacture of sulfuric acid by contact process. So preparation of H2SO4 can be done by contact process. Formation of H2SO4 occurs in following 3 steps. In that one, the first step is formation of SO2, sulfur dioxide. So sulfur on oxidation can form SO2 or iron pyrite called as a FeS2 on oxidation gives Fe2O3 and SO2. So FeS2 called as a iron pyrite. We can balance it by putting 411 to 8. So we can write a statement here: sulfur on burning with oxygen gives SO2, or iron pyrites, that is FeS2, on burning with O2 gives rise to SO2. Next, step 2, that is formation of SO3. So obtain SO2 in the first step undergoes again oxidation and gives rise to SO3. We can balance it by putting 2 on SO2, 2 on SO3. It takes place in presence of V2O5. So SO2 is oxidized in presence of V2O5 and gives SO3. Then step number 3, that is SO3 is absorbed in H2SO4. So absorption of SO3 by H2SO4. SO3 on reacting with H2SO4 gives rise to H2S2O7 called as a oleum or fuming sulfuric acid, or also called as a pyrosulfuric acid. So this H2S2O7 on hydrolysis gives H2SO4. That means the pure SO3 form is absorbed by, or it's absorbed by 98% of the concentrated sulfuric acid and form oleum, that is H2S2O7. This obtained oleum is diluted with water and gives desired concentration of sulfuric acid, that is sulfuric acid of desired concentration. So first part is over. Now the second part, we have to go with the explanation for diagram. We have to draw this diagram. So this is a way we have to draw the diagram, and we have to label it. First one is iron burner or pyrite burner, second dusting tower, third cooling pipe, fourth scrubbing tower, fifth one is drying tower, sixth one arsenic purifier, seventh one is testing box, eighth one is preheater, ninth one is catalytic contact chamber, and 10th one absorption tower. Last one, 11th one is oleum. Functions of each one. Pyrite burner. Here sulfur or iron pyrites are burnt to produce SO2. That one we saw in the first step. Then dusting tower. The dust particles in the burner gases are removed by settling down. It can be occurring in dusting tower. Third one is cooling pipe. The gases are cooled and also dust particles settle down completely in cooling pipes. Fourth one is scrubbing tower. Function of scrubbing tower is the water falling. You can see in the diagram. See this one, this one. So water falling in scrubbing tower, that is from the tower, cleans the upgoing gases. And fifth one is drying tower. That is the gases coming into this are dried. Right? The gases coming into this are dried. Sixth one is arsenic purifier. Function for arsenic purifier is the main impurities in the gases are arsenic oxide, As2O3. It is removed in this chamber. by gelatinous iron oxide, FeOH taken thrice, iron hydroxide. Testing box. Here gases are tested for their purity, and if the gases still contain some impurities, then these gases are recycled here. 8.1 is preheater. The pure gases are heated to 673 to 723 K, and from here they go into the contact tower. 9th one is contact tower, that is called as a catalytic contact chamber. So in this contact tower, the contact tower has a vertical pipes which is packed with a catalyst V2O5. In this, SO2 is converted into SO3. Then the catalyst in this tower is maintained at the required temperature. And 10th one is the absorption tower. SO3 gas obtained in the previous tower, it is absorbed in the absorption tower. It is absorbed in absorption tower with a concentrated sulfuric acid which form the oleum, that is H2S2O7. The oleum is diluted with water to get the acid of required concentration. Right. So 3 steps we over here. Then we have seen the diagram. Then we have written the functions of all. Right. Thank you very much.